If you are someone who wants to start applying makeup but you do not know what products to have and build your kit, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need. Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Swapnali, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what all products I recommend you have as a person who is just wanting to get into applying makeup and you don't want to apply like heavy duty makeup. Okay, and actually these are the products which I personally use as well, and I bought them a really long time ago and I just keep going back to the very same products. So I am having all of them in this kit, and this kit I actually got from Zudio because I saw this holographic thing and I was like, I just want to buy it. And this was really cheap as well. It was, I believe, $400 or something, like really cheap for, you know, a makeup bag like that. The first thing, go get yourself a small makeup bag. It's always good to have a small makeup bag, so all your makeup can go in this, and every morning you do not have to go hunting around your house. Where is my makeup? Where should I find it? So get yourself a small bag. But what I recommend is first buy the skincare product, not skincare, the makeup products, and then buy your bag so you know kitna bada bag lagega aapko, right? So like I said, I'm going to talk about all like makeup products. I will be having a video for face or skincare products that you need to have, your hair care products and your body care products. I'm going to have like a small 4 video series. So I have all the products here, you know, makeup also, skincare also, hair care also, body care also. So yeah, I'm just going to talk about skincare in this video. If you want if you want to access or see the other videos, I am going to link them either in the description or just go subscribe to my channel, and when you go there in the video section, you will find these other videos aage piche only. Okay, now the first thing is you need a foundation. Now depending on what your condition is in terms of your skin, are you having a breakout, do you have a lot of acne scars, do you have a lot of pigmentation, depending on that you have to figure out ki kaun sa foundation lagega, and for that I will make a different video because everything, you know, unfortunately I cannot tell you everything in one video, right? So get yourself a foundation. If you're someone who has like decent skin, like I currently don't even have decent skin, so yeah, I'll talk about that in a different video. But I was having a really bad breakout situation. अभी थोड़ा better हुआ है, तो I have acne scars again, which I have to, you know, tend to. But if you are someone who does not have a lot of acne scars and stuff, you can use this foundation. Okay, so I had a small phone call. Anyways, so yeah, this foundation is really medium coverage, medium to light coverage, and my shade is 220. Okay, so if you're someone who is of my skin color, 220 will be absolutely perfect for you. And yeah, and I have this small thing, so whenever my skin is performing better, once these acne scars, you know, go away, which I was doing really well for a really long time, तो तभी मैं ये use करती थी foundation, and it works like a dream. I love it, really lightweight. Now after your foundation, the next thing I'm gonna recommend you guys is a tint. Now अगर आप just start कर रहे हो to apply makeup, I imagine कि you don't want a very heavy tint. So for that you can use this one, Etude House ka Dear Darling tint, and this is actually something which someone has given it to me and it's really good. I did not know Etude House product was so good till I tried this, and then I tried their eyebrow pencil also, and it's really good. So yeah, this is the blush, and if you want to go with something darker, you can go in with this. My situation is really bad with this blush, but I love it. It is in the shade Bronzing Glaze. And it is from Color Bar. So this is a powder blush which again you can apply, but as you can see, this is the situation. This is the situation of my blush. Okay, so yeah, but this color is beautiful. So if you want something more lightweight, go for Etude House, and this is in the shade, let me tell you, RD307. Okay, this is in the shade RD307, and this is the Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush. Anyways, I'll try and leave all the names and numbers, everything in the link in the description box below. So that's that. Now the next thing is, after you apply a foundation, after you apply your blush, everything, all your liquid products, you need to set them with something. And if you're just starting out, this is the powder I would recommend. As you can see, mera almost khatam ho gaya hai. It's, you know, you can see the pan, but this powder, the Fit Me matte poreless powder from Maybelline is so good. And actually this full Fit Me range now, it's actually I think a dupe of the Huda foundations jo at that point I don't know too much to comment, but yeah, the ingredients and everything bahut similar. At least I found them quite similar. So, you know, don't take my word for it. But this range is really good because Huda Beauty is too expensive, supremely expensive, not what I want to spend on makeup at all. So this is it. And in this the shade is 310, which is Sun Beige, and this color is slightly darker for me actually. So I believe if you are someone of my skin tone, 220 in this also will work for you better. Okay, then that's that. Then guys, go and invest in a beauty blender. Beauty blender is really good to apply foundation, liquid blush, whatever. It gives you a nice, smooth, beautiful texture aa jata hai when you use this. Okay, as you can see, I have to clean it, which I will clean, but yeah, you need that. Then after that you need these two things. One is a mascara and one is an eyelash curler. Guys, eyelash curler is so important. Just by curling your eyelashes, your eye game completely changes. So get yourself an eyelash curler. I will try and put links as well in the description box below. Such a tongue twister. And you want to go in with mascara. Now this one again is from Maybelline, their Falsy Lash Lift. Okay, I'm only reading. Okay, this is the Falsy Lash Lift Mascara, Hydro Fudge. Okay, and it's really, I don't know. I'll leave a link to this. There's not like a lot of shade range that you have to worry about. It's really good. Lasts me at least for like 6 months to ho hi jata hai. And yeah, nice packing, love it. Cheap, absolutely love it. Okay, then after that, you want to go in for an eyeliner. It is always good to have one eyeliner in your makeup kit for days when you want to, you know, look extra bold. Having an eyeliner is really important. And honestly guys, if you are a starter, go for this one. This Inside Shiny Eyeliner Waterproof, so good. I love it. I don't know why, but just there's something about this eyeliner. I keep purchasing this again and again. I have one of Renee, I have one of Maybelline, but for some reason I just feel like recommending this one only to you all. I don't know why. It's just easy to apply and stays for a really long time. So yeah, go in and get that. After that guys, you want to get at least 2 nude shades. Okay, now what lipstick shade is going to be nude for you is something that you have to figure out thoda, you know, try karke. And so here's what I recommend. Get one nude in the pink shade and get one nude in the brown shade. So this is the pink shade ka nude, which is from Lakme 925, which is their blush velvet. I know this name by heart, but see, this is it. It's a beautiful soft pink shade. And this is the other one, which is the one from Masaba. Love Child is her brand's name, and this is Meetha Jeera. Okay, so that is the color. And see, they both actually are more towards pink only, but yeah, this is slightly brown. And I have one more from Just Herb, which I got as a sample, which is what I have applied right now. And this is proper brown, so I'm just going to apply it here only to show you guys. But as you can see, this is the nude shade for me. It will not be a nude shade for everyone. It depends on your skin tone as well. But let me also swatch it here and show you all. This is the brown color. Okay, so yeah, make sure that you have some nude shades with you, very important. And lastly, you need to have this microfiber makeup remover. I do not believe it. I'll be very honest with you all. I did not think this was going to work at all, and then it did. So this thing is something, I'm gonna make a video on this because I found this so interesting and so cool. But your makeup actually comes off with this. Your mascara nahi hota, I'll be very honest with you all, but your foundation, blush, lipstick, eyeshadows, all of that, it comes out with this. So make sure you have one of this in your makeup kit, and that is it. If you have these products in your makeup kit, you are good to go. You can actually do the makeup look which I have done right now. And yeah, So I hope this video helps, and guys, please do follow me on Instagram. Sorry, please do follow me on YouTube and also on Instagram if you wish to. And I hope this video helps you out. All the links I'm gonna leave in the description box below, so you can go check it out, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.